When your vehicle fails to proceed, stop and retrieve your MAXTRAX. Spinning your wheels, particularly in soft sand, will only bury the vehicle deeper. Once you've retrieved your MAXTRAX, go to each wheel and clear the debris and obstruction from around the tyres, underbody components such as the axles, diffs and suspension. MAXTRAX can be inverted and used as a shovel. Wedge the MAXTRAX firmly against the tyre tread, in front of both front tyres if attempting to drive forward, or behind both rear tyres if attempting to reverse. Ensure the MAXTRAX are pointing in the intended direction of where you want to go. If your vehicle has traction aids, now's the time to engage them. Engage low range, first gear and gently accelerate. Do not spin your wheels. The slow rotation will allow the tyres to grab the lugs on the top of the MAXTRAX and draw them under. Spinning your wheels will damage the MAXTRAX. MAXTRAX damaged by wheel spin are not covered under warranty. Once the tyres gain traction, maintain the momentum until the vehicle reaches firm ground. Repeat the procedure if necessary. I'm saved!
If you're venturing far away from civilization and don't have a solid lead on drinking water, you have to take it with you. Dying of dehydration is one way to ruin your vacation. You'll probably also want to bring along water for cleaning, showering, and cooking. For those who want a large capacity water tank but don't want their daily driver cluttered with permanently installed gear, FrontRunner created the FOOTWELL water tank. This cleverly designed 40-liter, 10.6 gallon tank is extremely strong and shaped to sit on the vehicle's floor behind the seats. It can be quickly removed and stored outside the vehicle. The cutout spans the transmission tunnel, and the top section can be used as a non-slip floor or for stacking supplies on top of.
Open window for life auto escape tool with seatbelt cutter. Easy to carry or keep on your visor. Insert OWL completely in upper window channel until it stops. Pull back and release. Window glass breaks outward. It works with the flick of your finger. There are no moving parts, so it can't malfunction. 5 times more powerful than spring-loaded device.
Take the card from the visor. Go straight up from the door lock. Insert it into the window channel until it stops. Pull back and release.
Plenty of interesting car gadgets over the years, but nothing is as peculiar as the CyberClean. Bear in mind, the CyberClean car is meant for interior use only. It is textured somewhat like a slime, meaning it can adapt to any shape and surface texture. CyberClean will get into tight corners between buttons or just about every small gap in the dashboard, center console, and even seats. Once you press it against the surface, the material absorbs dirt, dust, and germs without leaving any residue, moisture, or glossy effect. The company says CyberClean Car is made of non-toxic biodegradable materials. It can be used for several times before it must be replaced. For a lot of people, car is the perfect means of transportation, for it is personal, private, and weatherproof. Whether it is raining, snowing, or scorching hot on the outside, being inside the car keeps you comfortable on the go. LANMODO has proposed an idea that the car too needs protection of its own, hence the 4-season car tent. Secured to the roof of your car using a powerful suction cup, the LANMODO Pro automatic tent measures at 480 centimeters long and 235 centimeters wide when completely extended, making it large enough to fully cover a big SUV. When packed, the tent is only about 85 by 23 centimeters to fit nicely in your trunk, maybe backpack. The term automatic refers to how the tent vibrates periodically during snow to keep itself clean. If you purchase the all-in-one version, LANMODO even gives additional accessories to turn the tent into a shelter for outdoor activities.
This adjustable truck service step from IRONTON wraps over a tire, giving you a non-slip step for loading roof racks and servicing trucks, SUVs, and semis. It comes fully assembled, so you can easily install it on standard truck tires up to 13 inches deep. Customize it to your vehicle by simply adjusting the step to fit your tire's depth and your desired step height. It supports up to 300 pounds on the rugged steel construction, with a no-slip tread to prevent slips and falls. Just fold it flat for compact storage.
Introducing ZUS, the world's first truly smart car charger. Designed in Germany, ZUS has both brains and beauty. The elegant shine lighting system provides enhanced visibility in dark environments. And most importantly, ZUS is the only smart charger that can help you find your car. When you're at a loss, simply open the ZUS app and follow the red arrow to find your car. ZUS also sports a powerful smart chipset to deliver the swiftest charge to any device. Charge 2 iPads at 2 times the speed of normal car chargers. ZUS is also the only charger to meet US military high-temperature standard. Another reason why ZUS is different. 2 times the speed, 2 times smarter, never lose your car.